disconnected. Recording.
My goodness, I can smell the brakes on that truck right there, pulling that big old camper. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I am just going down here to Roaring River, and we're going to go through the park and check out the campsites. I had some people ask about the place over the years, so I want to make a thing just showing the campsites around the park and doing a little vlogging on the 3 Honey. Yes, look at the smoke. If you can see it, there's smoke rolling off them trailer brakes. Them dudes are hot. Look at that, where you see the smoke rolling off of them. That's a pretty good hill, coming down that Roaring River hill. You definitely want trailer brakes, especially pulling something like that. But we are going to go up through here. This is Campground 1. Kind of the most shady one. This is a Tuesday, so there's probably not a lot of people here. This looks like it's not full through this area. This is part of Campground 1. Right in here. Raise my limbs up. But it's kind of pretty up through this one. There's lots of shade, lots of walnut trees. Walnuts and sycamores. Well, there's an ash tree right there. Kind of got this little wet weather ditch back here along that bluff. It's not actually part of Roaring River, not the river part of it. Yeah, it's definitely not full on a Tuesday. Bad part about it, they've made this thing where everything's reserved or reservable. You got to reserve everything, which I'm not a reservable person. I just like to go and grab a spot and camp. Uh-oh. I don't think they're going to use that pontoon in Roaring River. Some people camp here and then they drive down to the lake, which the Roaring River dumps into the lake not too far downstream. Table Rock Lake. They got them a little go-kart there. I don't even think you're allowed to ride them here. Up and down through here, I doubt it. A lot of city slickers coming out to the woods. So that's probably what I looked like when I was down here, a city slicker coming out in the woods. Old Airstream, or I don't know if they still make them or not. They may still make them things. So they do have Wi-Fi in these campgrounds. Down here. Uh-oh, somebody lost a hubcap off their RV. This is the other half of Campground 1. And they got a swimming pool right there. If you want to go swimming in everybody's pee, when they got a real creek down here. Oh, they're down there digging with a track hoe on the other side of the bridge, digging out that swimming hole. There's some gold wing trikes. Down here is Campground 2. No fireworks. And they just take out all the fun, don't they? You got to watch it sometimes when you're down here because it floods big time. They try to evacuate everybody, but it always seems like somebody gets caught up down here in it. There's the river. Beautiful, clear water, full of trout. Some good fishing there. I enjoy fishing there, fly fishing. My son-in-law comes down, he's a fly fisherman. He goes fly fishing there as often as he can. That bathroom is just showers over here. Or maybe just showers there, I'm not sure. I think it's both. So down here is Campground 3. And of course, most every one of these sites, I think every one of these sites, is just electric. No water, no sewer. There is some water spigots that you can hook up to and fill up your camper, but there's no full hookups unless you're a park attendant. Uh-oh, that girl see me and she's going to get out of the way. There's the showers here. You see their Wi-Fi antennas up on top of that building. That boy's talking on the radio to that boy right there. Breaker 19, this here's a rubber duck. You got a copy on me, Pigpen, come on. Roger. Wolf pup, that's what I got, different color, but same thing. People fishing down there, check out this wheelie kid up here. Oh man, he let it down. He's gonna pull right out in front of me. No doubt. Down through there, what I call the desert, that's the other part of the Campground 3. Oh, he's dragging his little pooper trailer. I smell something. Something got a funky smell. So that is the Roaring River State Park Campgrounds in Southwest Missouri. Yeah, we just want to go up here and show you the rest of the park while I'm at it. I actually have a video of the tour of the park, but it's been a long time ago. Day picnic areas over here. Playground. You can rent these things out or just use them for free, I think, sometimes if they're not busy. And over here is where the park store where you can buy your tags. It's like $4 a day. And you also got to have a Missouri fishing license. $4 a day, limit of 4 trout. I think it's 4. Yeah. So here is the park. More of it. Get it. Get it, Guitar Zan. Somebody cooking something good. Oh, we got a DUALSPORT up here. Yep, sure as the world. Right over there, DUALSPORT. Check out all them fish in there. Up here's the falls where the water comes out of the big pond. I don't see many fish in there. Probably some on this side. Yeah, there's a few. Not very big. So up here is the cave. You see, maybe if you can see up there, there's people in that. And that's where the water comes out. And then here is the fish. See what size these are. There's a bunch of them in there. Kind of mid-size. It's probably about the size they let out. Maybe a little bigger. That's it, guys. We're on River State Park. Thank you all for watching my videos. Click subscribe, click the bell icon, click the thumbs up. Thank you all for watching. Catch y'all on the next one. Right on.